to subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon, and get notified when the video drops.
Yo!
Brother.
I can see all the hair that's coming from the side. Your long hair is making its comeback.
You in Mumbai, I in Dubai. You look like Mumbai, I look like Dubai.
When are you back, bro? Come soon. I miss you.
Never.
Wait, what's happened to my screen? Oh, I put something.
Filter.
I'm
What's
actually in
happening?
your room right now. I've taken over your house.
Amazing. मजा आ रहा है?
Full on.
कहाँ है दोनों
Full on,
महारथी
Jeet.
मम्मी पापा?
Full on, Jeet. Ayushman
Where are
is
the
saying something's coming with eyes emoji.
something's coming that is going to make everyone cry and smile together. क्या किया तूने? I think it's such a different thought ना कि कभी ऐसा गाना नहीं किया ना हम लोग ने जहाँ you are falling in love and you are also feeling whether I should fall in love, whether I should not fall in love. The song has so many questions and answers, but I think it's beautifully summed up by Virag sir and both of y'all, Arman and Palak. You'll have killed it. And अभी मेरे पास वीडियो आया है, मैंने तुझे भेजा नहीं है, अभी मैं कर रहा हूँ एडिट, खत्म करके भेजता हूँ. Check it out, it's looking great. All the Sid
Amazing. I think
hearts.
मुझे always अमल मतलब एक रात पहले भेजता है सब. तब तक खुफिया रखता
All
है
the
सब कुछ.
Siddharth fans are gonna go crazy. He's killing it, man. Like he's looking so good. He's acted so well.
I'm excited for it. I saw it in the teaser and I was like, this is gonna win people's hearts for sure.
Yeah, I think it's going to make
People will say क्या किया है हमने.
मेरे जब बाल काटे तभी सबने यही बोला क्या किया तूने.
No, but I think अमल and हम लोग ये ऑलवेज कहते हैं, हर रिलीज के लिए कहते हैं कि हम लोग एक साथ वापस बहुत टाइम बाद आए हैं, लेकिन एक्चुअली ऐसा लग रहा है कि बहुत टाइम बाद आए हैं, क्योंकि आई डोंट नो व्हेन द लास्ट टाइम मी एंड यू रिलीज्ड अ सॉन्ग टुगेदर. आई मीन
We did चले आना, then we did जरा ठहरो,
एंड देन ठहर गए हम लोग फिर थोड़े टाइम के लिए.
सबको बोला जरा ठहरो.
But क्या किया है तूने is very special. I think the whole team, even the people who have produced the song, you know, Vaibhav and who are the other boys? Is there someone else who's arranged it with him?
This time Vaibhav is there. Roland has played guitars.
Has
done the mix mastering. Super
Can't
fun.
wait for it.
And
I just heard the mix. Amal sent me the mix a few days back, and Palak sounding beautiful as well. So it's just coming together so beautifully. Me and Palak actually, हम लोग का combination.
After हुआ आज पहली बार, yeah, that is also
big. After हुआ आज पहली बार, we all are coming together. So I think this is a big one. This is gonna win hearts. Sid hearts, Amalian hearts. Arman hearts, all hearts, Palak's hearts.
I think इसमें my favorite यानी सब लोग लिख रहे हैं अंतरा अच्छा बनाओ, अंतरा looking forward and all. अंतरा is going to win hearts. बहुत ही अच्छा लिखा है अंतरा इस बार. And अरमान का एक लाइन है जो मैं सबको सिर्फ वर्ड्स बोलना चाहता हूँ. सौदा ये दो दिलों का, लगता है कुछ पलों का, ना होगा ये हमसे बार बार, क्या किया है तूने मेरे यार. I think here Virag sir has killed it.
Journey, in every song there is that one line that he kills it. I think Antre ka ye line is where he is hit it out of the park.
What a thought ना कि सौदा दिलों का, लगता है कुछ पलों का. कि अभी it's momentary, this whole.
ना होगा ये
हर बार दिल का सौदा नहीं हो सकता. I cannot exchange my heart again and again with new people. I think it's only with that one person. That ऐसा किसी ने कभी लिखा ही नहीं है.
Too good. People are already saying, "Wow, क्या line है?" Sudhir, he was part of my team on The Voice.
Oh, amazing. What's up, bro? That lucky bottle. What lucky bottle you have, Arman?
No. I mean, they're saying lucky bottle because I am drinking from it. That's what they mean. Oh God. But I think you know what we should do. We should take a fan with us live with both of us. I think we can do that. Let me add. Should we?
Yeah, try.
Wait, let me try and see. Being Armal Malik. Let me see if they join.
जल्दी ज्वाइन करो. मेरा फोन गुड नाइट हो रहा है.
I don't think request accept हुआ है. Chalo, it's okay. At least we tried. What is that chain you're wearing? Show.
I stole it from Hashim. Now it's mine.
But what is it?
It's just some random stuff. It's just cool. Suiting me with the new haircut.
Acha, chal, now you're boring me. Bye. Oh,
Hello.
hello.
कैसे हो?
I was sleeping. OMG. Hi, Arman.
How are you?
I'm not fine now, right now.
You're not fine. Are you have to be fine. We're all together on one screen. This is the best time.
मैं अभी रोने वाली हूँ.
Arey. By the way, Amal, this is one of our biggest fans, Palak. I remember her very clearly.
I'm
How are you?
I'm from Rajasthan, Arman.
Yeah,
That's great.
I know. मुझे याद है.
You know me? You know your fan name, Palak Nawal?
Yes, I know.
I'm
I think जोधपुर या कहीं पे ना. I think I don't
हाँ
know.
जोधपुर राजस्थान.
क्या बात है?
ये क्या है emojis? मतलब panda is happening, bear is happening. on your
Panda
face.
में.
It's a filter.
Oh.
What do I want right now?
How sweet.
I don't know what to
अच्छा
I'm-
Palak, okay, I'll change the situation for you so that you don't feel all nervous and all. Okay, what do you want to ask Amal that you haven't ever asked Amal like before? What is that one thing that you want to ask him or request him?
अभी क्या सोच रही बेचारी suddenly?
नहीं कौन सा अमल
I
का कौन सा
I
फेवरेट?
don't have any question right now.
आपको
Please sing a song for
मेरे
me.
गानों में से
एक
कौन सा
गाना?
आपको बेस्ट लगता है?
अमल के गानों में से what do you think is his best that you feel and what you want him to sing? He'll sing a few lines for you.
सूरज डूबा है.
Oh, the one that started it all. Let's go.
हाँ.
चले नहीं उड़े आसमां पे अभी पता न हो है जाना कहाँ पे अभी चले नहीं उड़े आसमां पे पता न हो है जाना कहाँ पे कि बेमंजिले वो सब रास्ते दुनिया से हो जरा फासले कुछ खुद से भी हो दूरियां सूरज डूबा है यारो दो गुट नशे के मारो रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के सूरज डूबा है यारो दो गुट नशे के मारो गम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के.
Ask me for
Thank you
anything
so
and I can
much.
give you everything.
रास्ते भुला दो सारे घर बार के.
Oh, ask me for anything, I can give you everything.
हम तुम भुला दो सारे संसार के ओ
ओ
ओ
ओ
ओ ओ ओ
ओ ओ
ओ ओ ओ
वो ओ
Can I
सेकंड
request you
वाला
one thing?
ओ
Can you
अमल
please say hi?
okay, she's saying something, sorry.
Can you
Yeah.
please say hi to my friends?
Yes.
Which
Shagun,
friend?
Nehla, and Sneha. Shagun, Nehla, and Sneha.
Okay, hi Shagun, Nehla and Sneha. Nehla से अभी बात हुई I think, but
हाँ अभी
hi,
अभी बात
hi
हुई।
guys, lots of love.
Thank you too much. I love you, Arman.
अरे so sweet.
You just made
जो
my whole year.
मैं जा रहा हूँ अभी। आप अरमान से बात करो। मैं जा रहा हूँ, नहीं तो क्या किया तूने रिलीज ही नहीं होगा कभी। चलो
Okay,
चलो,
okay.
love you guys.
बाय,
Bye.
लव यू अरमान, थैंक यू पलक, सी यू।
Thank you,
Bye.
thank you,
Bye Palak.
thank you. Bye, thank you. कैसे हैं?
Oh God, wait. I think Palak was just very nervous. Amal was like, इन दोनों को बात करने दो, मैं जा रहा हूँ। बोलना पड़ता है। अगर आपने नहीं किया है सब्सक्राइब तो go and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and get notified when the video goes live.